out on the road again. On the road again. We're going to, I don't know where.
Tobermory, kind of. South Bruce Peninsula.
Take on me. Take on me. Well, folks, we've done it. We got to Tobermory, and we're gonna start walking back home now. This is the Bruce Trail, and this is the beginning of a 3-month journey.
I'm a lot slower though, like I'm not prepared for this.
She's
It
got
might
her
take us
fucking,
longer.
look at her outfit, good to go. I got my red shoes, good to go.
What?
And we're going on the Bruce Trail. See ya in 3 months, Niagara. Oh my god. There she is.
Look at this big anchor.
What would you do with something like that?
What would I do with it?
Yeah.
I'd attach it to a really big boat.
Oh, we made it.
It was a little bit too fast. Like, there was 3 seconds of shit.
100 meters later, and we see water. Doesn't even feel like a hike at this point. Just leisurely stroll through the forest. Oh, he's funny.
He's not doing that thing that he was doing on the bridge.
Look. You right there, bud? Alright, let's go. Come on. Come here.
What's up with your legs, buddy?
He doesn't trust the boardwalk. I wouldn't either, bud.
The trees just fell that way.
Look at this. This is a perfect little bench. I don't even know how this came to be over here. But
Look, you can. I bet you can even sit on it.
oh. Ah, it's sitting material. Oh my god, the Sam Squamch. Kim Jong-il.
It's just pretending.
A lot of rocks.
I'm doing just fine.
This is a death trap for people with shitty ankles like myself. Oh, chipmunks. Chipmunks, hey buddy.
Those aren't chipmunks, those are red squirrels.
Red squirrels, hey buddy. And this is the natural grotto. Look at that clear water. Beautiful. Not too often you get all this neatness in one spot. Shit, even though she's being a grouch.
Not being a grouch, you're a grouch. Always.
Fish eye lens right now. Your face looks so funny.
You look funny always.
The singing sounds starts here. It's cold. Oh, it's so interesting, boy. This is just a small boardwalk loop. Oh, okay. Speechless. Let's see, this beach is worth looping for.
A lot of shrubbery. Not taking early.
Oh look, 2 chairs.
Oh.
Look at,
Traveled all this way to see the infamous 2 chairs on the beach.
beached, bruh.
I'm beached. Beached is.
Someone set up a nice little thing here. I can see this being kind of nice.
Yeah, like when it's sunny.
Would go for a swim. Would swim.
You're such a... I hate you.